Taft, Realtor and Personal Real Estate Corporation with Mountain Town Properties, and I'm based in Invermere, BC. And here I'm happy to introduce my new listing, number 18 at the Radium Villas. This is a beautiful walk-up townhouse with lots of space, some great views. Let's go take a look. All right, so here we are at the entrance to number 18. As you can see, there's a dedicated covered parking space that comes with the unit, and a few stairs up into the main door. Let's go take a look. All right, so here we are up at this little porch here. And just to talk about the location a little bit, the Radium Villas are located about 2 minutes, 3 minutes out of Radium Hot Springs and about 10 minutes from Invermere. And as you can see, it's kind of a treed area, very private, very quiet. There's lots of visitor parking. It's a really nice little location that's sort of tucked away. And the complex is kind of a mix of full-time and recreational property owners. So let's go pop into the unit. Okay, so here we are entering the unit, and just going to show you really quick. So we've got kind of a mudroom area here, definitely a good place for putting the boots and coats, and generous closet. I'm just going to kind of pan around here. And although the kitchen counter is not brand new, everything's in really good condition. It's super clean. This unit is always lightly used, so you know, the cabinets and everything, they feel almost brand new. And just gonna pan around here so you can sort of get the sense of the entire kitchen. Definitely a functional kitchen, good size, and you know, pleasant enough view out the window here if you're washing a few dishes and stuff. And let's go check out the rest of the unit. Alright, so we've got a full bath here on the main floor. So this has got obviously your toilet and stand-up shower here. And then going to kind of continue on. It's an open concept dining room, living room kind of area with sort of a sit-up bar kind of open to the kitchen there. The flooring in this area has been updated. So you've got a really nice vinyl plank flooring, which along with the recently painted walls, gives a nice white, neutral, a little more of a modern kind of feel. And just gonna show you the whole space here. And then you've got a wood-burning fireplace here, and the rock, and some of this has also been painted white. One of my favorite things about this unit is the view and the location on this side. So you've got a really big deck, and it's super private. You've got privacy screens on both sides, and then you can see through the trees here is a golf course, the Radium Resort golf course, the original golf course, which is not super busy. And then you get Rocky Mountains, some really nice Rocky Mountains, and you know, just an amazing view. Super quiet on this side of the building, and this is a great place to spend time barbecuing, having meals, entertaining, just hanging out, enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning. Just a beautiful space. We're just reaching the bottom of the stairs. So behind these closet doors, you've got your washer and dryer. And although these aren't brand new, these older style last forever. And just gonna show you again, pan up here so you can kind of see the stairs back up. All right, so over here we've got the first bedroom, and so this is a decent sized room. This one, yeah, nothing wrong with this room at all. And the window here looks out into the parking space area, and is definitely a proper sized egress window with a nice big closet here. So I'm going to continue on and show you the bathroom here. All right, so now we've got another full bathroom here. This one with a tub. Yeah, everything is clean, usable, definitely livable. You could always update carpet and flooring. You can always make changes if you want, but it is ready right away. So this room is a massive room. It's huge. Hard to really tell. Try and get you the scale here just so you can see just how large this room is. So the one thing to note with this one is that it only has the small window, which actually goes underneath the deck. So technically this is not an egress window. You wouldn't build a unit and call this a bedroom in a new development. Huge space, and obviously in this case, in a lot of cases, this would be used as a bedroom, but just be aware of that smaller egress window there. So one more thing to kind of show you, just a little closet under the stairs with hot water tank. And here's there's the hot water tank with this little closet under the stairs. So this unit offers a ton of space, lots of livable and usable space. It's a great location, close to Invermere, close to Radium. And this unit is really viable for a full-time move if you're looking for a place to live year-round. But it could also be used as a recreational cabin or base camp, potential for some revenue generation. So very flexible and versatile. At this asking price, there's very little available, especially for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath layout. So take a look at the listing, look at the 3D tour, reach out to myself or your realtor to book your private in-person tour. Thank you very much.